These guys here just keep coming to the house. They come any day they want to come. They come Wednesday, they come Thursday, they come Friday. He ain't cutting no grass. Ain't no grass here. See? Ain't no grass here. What is he cutting? He ain't cutting nothing. All he doing is putting shit inside my cars. Look at this. He ain't cutting nothing. What is he cutting? He ain't doing nothing. They ain't cutting nothing. Ain't no grass out here. He just been a pain in the ass. What are they cutting? The sidewalk? I keep records every time they come here. Ain't nothing here. Ain't nothing here. Look, there's nothing here. Putting all this dirt all over the cars. Nothing. One day they'll come on Thursday, the next day they come on Friday. Now they showing up on fucking Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Law enforcement, judge. These guys is coming out here destroying our cars. Okay? Here come the weed whacker. Here's the weed whacker. Here. Here's the weed whacker. They'll park down the other end of the street. I told them I got cameras. Here's the camera right here. Ain't no grass here. What are they cutting? Nothing. I'm gonna see how they gonna blow this shit now later. What are they weed whacking? Ain't no dirt here. Look. There's no dirt. They slick today. They slick today. They'll park the car down here. They'll park the truck down here. They'll park the truck down here. See? They trying to be slick. They parking the truck down the street. Where's the grass? Where the fucking grass at? There's no grass here. There's no grass.